Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Excel. Today we'll try to cover pivot table, which is very important for analysis purpose. Let's start. I have this sample data. Uh, Based on this data, we will do analysis on different columns. Let's say, for example, region wise, sales person wise, product wise. We'll try to get quantity uh, as well as total amount. So let us keep it our cell here. Click insert and then click on pivot table. Okay, automatically it will select the whole data. If you see the data is selected, sorry, I had to click, I clicked there, pivot table. So automatically data is selected. uh, it is giving the range. Just you click OK and it will create another sheet, worksheet, right? Okay, here is the pivot table sheet. Okay, now if you see on the right side, these are all fields of that table, and down we have four dimensions or four blocks. On the left side, top left is filter, then column, then there's rows, then values. Okay, let's say for example we want to see region wise. So region we'll put in the rows. So you'll see on the left side unique regions are there now. Now if we want to see the total, so we will just get this total on the value side. Here you have to confirm it is showing sum or count, because there are different functions. If you see here, so you will have to change here. Sum, count, average, whatever you want, right? Okay. Now it is showing us each region total sales, right? Now for example, if we want products as well, so let us put products on columns. Now if you see on the top we have products. So now for each region, each product sale, then total sale. Okay, now for example, now it is mix of different salespersons, right? So now if we do take the salesperson and put in the filters, so on the top it will show us the filter of the salespersons. So if you see, you have all the salespersons over here. So I will enable this option so we can select unselect. Okay, here it is. If you see here, you have all the salesperson. So let's say for example, if I select Andrews, it will show only sales for Andrews. For each region, each product, the total sales, right? Okay, if you will click on this blank area, these options will disappear. So when you will click here, it will reappear. Okay. Now for example, if there is any data change in the actual data, so you just keep here cursor, right click and refresh. So what it will do, it will refresh the data from the original table. Okay. What else? Let's say for example, here we have sum of the total. Now we want rate as well. Let's say average rate. So I will put it here, and rate we will put as average. Okay, here it is, average. So now it is giving average rate as well, right? Sorry, why it is there? Okay, it was showing over there. Now for example, if we want quantity, so here it is sum, right? And then let's say for example, if we want order date as well, so we can put it here in the rows. So it will give you year wise, quarter wise, whatever is your selection here. If we have selected here quarter, so it is showing you the quarter. So here these are quarters. Okay, now for example, let me remove all these. Okay, now the salesperson I will remove. So there's no filter on the top, and product is there on the top, and these are the values of the quantities, sum, and here these are years and quarters, right? And down is order date and region as well. And you can move their sequence as well, up and down. Okay, now there is going to be another way. We will add region as a filter and salesperson down here. Right, so now it will show us with the regions, and let us remove this filter here because we had added that filter. So it will show us the whole data. Right, this was simple. This is very simple but very useful function of Excel, and if you will use 2 or 3 times you will be really comfortable, and it is required for analysis purpose and any department need it. So try to use it and share your feedback. Thank you.